We back. We always exploring the world. It's your boy WG and Fawn. We got JJ right here. But I don't got the camera around. Relax. We at Mountain Creek right now. I'm about to turn the camera on. Let me show you how I look. It look crazy right now. Shit. Dumb crowded. I ain't gonna lie. Word. About to get in this little sky ride. What's it called? What's the ride called?
A sky ride.
Sky ride. This little cart thingy. I don't even know what this shit called, but let's see right here. We mad far like an hour out in Jersey. Vernon, New Jersey. Ain't no food over here. I'm so pissed. Everybody dressed in costumes and shit.
He's so hungry.
We dressed in regular outfits. Look at our fits. Matching fit type shit.
Got new feet.
I do like your sneakers on you though. They look nice. I told her to get them.
Just bought them yesterday. Already wearing them.
She wearing them. I got some New Balances yesterday too. I was gonna show them. I should have vlogged yesterday, but I didn't. Look. It's tough. Everybody always asks me where I'm at, bro. I'm never in Jersey.
Yeah, he really tried to play me like I don't know how to ride a bike.
What if it was like real bumpy? You would have fell, it didn't work.
That's why you got to come prepared. They got on knee pads. They got on the whole setup.
It's possible.
They got people set.
Although you just can't ride a bike. Although you can't ride a bike.
I'm not riding a bike. Yeah, I've been outside.
Vlog tip. Turn to the last vlog if you haven't. What was the last vlog? It was Ferrari or the Waffle House. Waffle House vlog wasn't that long. It's like 3 minutes. I was trying to, but like I couldn't really.
Y'all, we've been back to Waffle House.
Yeah, we went back to Waffle House yesterday.
Had to.
That is crazy. Could have bought the waffle.
They sell it online.
They do?
They sell the grits and the hash brown. And they syrup.
The hash brown weak. Mountain Riders over there that we gonna go on next. It's over there. Be ready.
Oh, look.
Oh yeah, look right here, y'all. They coming down. He was clear.
Oh, well, they bikes probably, they know how to do that.
Their bike is bouncy.
Yeah.
They got shot. They really got shot.
I don't know. Well, I know a regular bike from Walmart.
That ain't gonna do it.
What?
That ain't gonna do it. You need a real mind.
What, Walmart got weak tires? Weak wheels?
It's like a
The
strut.
grip?
Strut, the orange, the little part. It's like a strut, like a car. And how the car got it. So that's like, it's meant to, how cars meant to go up and down too.
This is what it's like there in a mechanic. You never know what they're talking about.
You gotta learn. It's not hard to learn.
Let's come back. We don't gotta come back here. We did the snow took in that American Dream Mall.
Look. Oh, never mind. I'm gonna show you that in the video.
Really get on the same shoes.
Look at the same shoes. A lot of emotions, man. This shit don't close?
It better close. You lying. Oh no,
Yeah,
I'm scared.
She gotta hold on. This little fella gotta hold on too. I think he got that sweater from Hollister.
Wait, I was about
Come
to
on.
say that.
My daughter.
If I try doing 6 and 3, do you think that would work? Whatever you feel like you're
A lot of motion. Oh, you wild.
And we out. Let's do a TikTok.
Why this shit don't close though?
Chill.
Oh, it do close.
How?
It close when you go up.
Alright, Wait, don't stop holding me. It's getting cold.
I gotta always about phone. That Daredevil. We really be on that Daredevil. We on the vlog. Vlog. Act crazy. Act madness, man. Hold on. I was scared to let go of him. Oh, wait. Hold on. You wild out there. See, you gotta just stand still, bro. People don't understand. Like, just stand still, be regular. Want some chill, calm, vlog. Nah, look at the shoulder. You think you can do it, bro?
Yes.
Look pretty.
Thank you.
Look at how taking selfies, y'all. Taking Instagram videos. I thought when we get to the top, it's gonna be different.
Right.
You're the vlog.
Watch the vlog.
WGM Quad, damn. People tune in. I don't know though. What do you mean wait? Alright, let me go in. Nah, yeah, I ain't never do nothing like this. This shit going mad far up. You know, look. It's far up in the air for real. Please don't drop your phone, babe. Oh, tight onto that. It's mad mountains over there, y'all. Mad land. It's getting windier as we go up, though. I don't like that. I do not like that. Do that one. Look. Oh! Yeah, that's hard. Yo, I don't know why I'm so scared. Wait, that's hard though, right here. Look. Oh, you don't gotta go up there, but I'm gonna come back and do that bike shit. Oh, they walking on the trail right here, I think. Ask them.
Oh, what?
It's so scary, man. That is a walking trail, I think, though. People, a whole bunch of people and everything is
Just
posted.
chilling.
It's posted on Threads.
I ain't posting on no threads.
It just said.
No, I didn't.
Oh, it said something else then. I'm smacked. Alright, let me put this one away now.